What's good guys, this is Azim Ali and I'm back with another video. I hope you're all having an amazing day, and in today's video I'm going to take you through the top naturally attainable celebrity physiques. So without further ado, let's get on. Now, before getting to the actual point, one thing that you guys need to keep in mind is I'm not trying to take anything away from these actors. They have worked their asses off. They have put in the work and they have given it the time that was actually needed to achieve their physiques. But what I'm trying to say is, and I'm also not trying to say that they haven't used any kind of sauce. You guys know what I mean. Some sort of pharmaceutical, fat burners, steroid SARMs or things like that. I'm not even saying that they haven't used that at any point of their life. All I'm trying to say is these are the people that I feel have naturally achieved their physiques, or their physiques are naturally attainable. Now, talking about the GOAT, Bruce Lee. Probably the greatest of all time. If you don't know him, then that's not my problem, you are a moron. But one of the things with Bruce Lee was he had an athletic physique. He had a ripped athletic physique. So if you are trying to attain some sort of physique where there is not much of a muscle mass to their physique, where they are not very big, believe me, you can achieve those physiques. You can achieve that ripped conditioning. And you know why you look bigger? The illusion of bigger, the illusion of how huge you are gets created when you are more shredded. The leaner you are, the shredded you are, the more you look bigger, the more you look like you are way too muscular, and the more you feel like you are in the unnatural territory, which is not actually the case, guys. You can actually look ripped and be muscular at the same time if you have good genetics. If you have good genetics going on for you, then you can achieve any physique you want. Bruce Lee is the guy that I genuinely feel that you can achieve his physique naturally. So that is going to be the first actor. All you have to do is be more ripped here. The more ripped, the more leaner you are, the more chances you have of looking like Bruce Lee. Now, with that being said, let's move on to the next actor. Now, in the next point, the actors that I'm going to be talking about right here are going to be Bradley Cooper, Mark Wahlberg, and Tiger Shroff. Now, one of the things that you guys will notice with all of them is that they are not that very big. And those physiques are attainable, and why I think so is because if you have good enough genetics, then you can definitely achieve these physiques if you are putting in the time. And what I actually mean by that is, if you are trying to build muscle and if you have been disciplined throughout all these years, one of the things that you will notice with Mark Wahlberg as well is he is not that very big and he is not that very shredded, which is a conditioning and which is the kind of muscle that you can gain while you are that lean and while you have that much of muscle. So yeah, I genuinely do believe that Mark Wahlberg's physique can be achieved naturally. But at the same time, once again, I'm not saying that he hasn't used any kind of steroids, SARMs, or any kind of pharmaceuticals or fat burners like that. All I'm trying to say right here is you can get that big naturally if you have good enough genetics, and if you are lean enough, you can look that big. And once again, the illusion of you looking big gets created when you are lean, when you are shredded. So one of the things that you'll notice with all of these actors is they are shredded, and that shredded look actually makes them look like they are really big. Now the other thing, now let's talk about Tiger Shroff. Once again, if you have seen his progression throughout the years, he hasn't progressed a lot that massively. So one thing that you guys need to keep in mind is when you are a natural, you don't progress a lot. That is an actual fact. When you are a natural, you don't progress a lot very quickly. It takes a long time. And I guess, or I'm supposing that Tiger Shroff has been working out for a long time now. And you can get to that level of big once again if you got the good enough genetics. Now talking about Bradley Cooper, once again, all you can see right here in his physique is He is just lean. He doesn't even have that much muscle. He is just lean. That is it. So yeah, I do believe these are the people that you can actually get to, that you can actually desire to get to these physique levels. And what I mean by that is you can actually get to these physiques. If you put in enough work, if you are giving it enough time, then you can definitely get to these physiques. Now, as you saw in the thumbnail, you guys thought that I am talking about Dwayne Johnson, but believe me, I am not a moron. He's a saucy dude, but he has to play that role. Once again, not taking anything away from his hard work, but yeah, he's definitely used steroids or SARMs at some point. So don't get misguided, guys. Don't feel like you will get that big naturally. It is not possible. Even if you have badass genetics, even then it's hard to get that big. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to end today's video right here. If you actually enjoyed this video, show some love by liking this video. Comment down in the comment section below if you have any further queries or if you have any further video recommendations. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also press on the notification bell. Until next time, have an amazing time, guys. See you.